If you want to cancel your SHEIN subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SHEIN website or open the SHEIN app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile section, often represented by an icon or your profile picture. Step 3. Find subscription options. In the account settings menu, look for the subscription or membership options. This section will provide details about your current subscription status. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Click on the option to cancel your subscription. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so be sure to read any information provided regarding the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After confirming your cancellation, you should receive a notification or email confirming that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Keep this confirmation for your records. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your SHEIN subscription. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SHEIN customer service for assistance.